Why bother to vote? Or why, if you're frustrated, would you even leave the house to vote on a low election day? The reason is you have to have hope that it can change. And the reason is you have to have people there that will be able to work together. The problem is, if you look at gridlock in Washington, is people are not working together. They're sticking to just the ideology and not the fact that they represent us individually. They represent the voters. I feel that I can represent the voters. I feel that I'll go there to work and remind myself that I'm not here to win my ideological battle. I'm here to represent the taxpayers of New Jersey. The reason to vote for me is I have experience. I have 14 years of experience in local politics, the last 4 as mayor. I have 25 years of experience as a small businessman. I've run a small practice for almost 3 decades now, and I have a long history of integrity and getting work done.